Okay, so the next thing you need to do is submit your assignment. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is submit your assignment. So I forgot to tell you in the previous video, but I want you to name your personality colors test before you turn it in. So the first thing, personality lingo assessment. And then I want your first initial and your last name, so T, PZ. And then I want your period number. So whatever period you're in would go here. So let's just say I'm in period 2. Okay? That's how I want it. I want it to be your first initial, your last name, not mine. Alright. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on share. And when you get to share, you're going to have to change this link right here. So change link address. So see how it says restricted, only people added can open this video link. Yours probably says that, or it probably says AISD. We're going to change that. And we're going to change, click on the drop down arrow, and we're going to say anyone with the link. And it's okay if you put viewer, because I just need to see it. I don't need to edit it. For me, I will give you guys editing rights, so I will change it to editor for y'all, but you don't need to. Alright, so now that I've changed it with anyone with this link, I can say copy link. It says link copied. I can say done. Then I can go back to Canvas, and now I'm going to submit the link. So remember from last week, I don't know, but website URL right here. We're going to paste the link. Okay. And then we're just going to click on submit assignment. And then we get the confetti. All right, good luck.